Hi, welcome back. That's good enough. But we're at Cracker Barrel, as all van lifers should be. We stayed here last night. We're in Indiana, so I'm gonna cut back later and fill you in on everything. But I just wanted to film a little bit at Cracker Barrel just because it's a van life staple. We're back in Kentucky. We stopped at Mammoth Cave, figured we'd stop here as we're passing through, because it's always a great spot to be. So I've got one hell of a story to tell you about everything that happened in Indianapolis. It's been a long time. You might be wondering why I have no shirt on. That's because we're at the lake. We're about to go swimming because it's really hot. But I got some things to catch you up on since I've been gone for so long. So let me find a nice little spot. Okay, it's a little shaded here. So, I think it's been like 2 months maybe. And a lot has happened and a lot hasn't happened. We've just been traveling. It's kind of weird talking on camera again. It's been so long since I've done it. Gabby's getting in the water. But we had to come back to Kentucky, obviously, for my medical issues and my doctor's appointments. And I have my last one this month, and then we'll be able to hit the road again. Hopefully it's my last one. But yeah, at one point we went up to Indianapolis to see some friends, and I ended up getting jumped outside of an arcade and spent 2 days in the hospital for that. And then during all that, I guess at some point when we had gotten into the van to go to the hospital, Batman had gotten out and we didn't even notice. So he was gone for like 4 days, and we were all worried about him, looking everywhere around Indianapolis. Obviously he had never been there. We didn't even know the area very well. We'd only been there a few times, so it was very stressful, cried a lot. But eventually we found him at a Cracker Barrel. So he came back and was crying at the van. So luckily we finally found him. And really that's about all that has happened lately. It's been pretty boring, but we've done a few things for the van. I got a new battery for our solar, so we have 2 batteries now. Ordered a new power bank and ordered a fridge that's supposed to be coming today. Yeah, so hopefully everything will be set up a lot better. Oh yeah, and our brakes went out, so that was stressful. Well, it was actually the power steering, but our power steering is connected to our brake line, so when I went to fix the power steering, it messed up the brakes. So I had to fix all that. That took like a week. Now that you're all filled in, I'm about to go swim with Gabby, and I don't know, I'll catch you up again eventually. Flip-flop broke. Okay, I guess I'm gonna take the flip-flops off. in one of my videos when I was just talking about like the struggles of van life, I was, you know, pretty upset and stressed out, and a lot of people were kind of angry at me for that. Tell me to just be happy or go get a job or something. I did that. I went and worked in a factory for a little bit, saved us money. That's how we were able to get everything. So yeah, while I've been away, I was working in a factory and making some money and stuff. So, but now I'm on antidepressants, so hopefully I'll be more fun and more lighthearted and entertaining so that I can be one of the happy-go-lucky, fun-loving van lifers here with Gabby. Back out at the beach. I was like 4 days ago, I went and saw my sister for a bit, but now we're back out here at the lake again. I just set up the solar, going kind of old school. It's been a minute since I've actually come outside and set the solar up because we're always in town now since we've been back in Kentucky. There aren't many spots like out west. There's tons of camping spots that you can go to, you know, free land like BLM land and stuff like that. Nothing like that here, or not much like that here in Kentucky. Everyone owns all the property here pretty much, so it's all private land. Except for this one little spot that I know from growing up out here. Yeah, but for the most part, if you risk camping on someone else's land, you know, you can get shot out here. So it's a lot safer out west. Oh yeah, I've got something very cool to show you. Okay, I'm gonna switch the camera over and I'm gonna show you this bad boy we just got. Right there, there's Bubba's food. But right there, we've got a fridge. It's not on right now, so we just have like we're using it like a cooler right now. But we got that ICECO fridge. We haven't run it in the van yet, so we'll see how that goes. I'll probably update you. I'm still waiting on, we're getting a new power bank, a nice big one to run it. So once I run it, I'll give you a better update. But I ran it at my sister's house, and it gets cold. Like, we made sure it could freeze stuff and everything, and it did. I'm not sponsored. I just watched Big Nugget's video, and he had a discount code. So if you watch Big Nugget on here, if you watch other van lifers and stuff, he's really cool. So watch him and use his discount code. I think it's just Big Nugget when you go on ICECO, and you can get $50 off of one of those. Yeah. That's about all interesting that's happened. I put an extra battery. I linked the battery onto our solar system, so now it runs off 2 batteries, so we have like more power, you know, more storage at least. And that's about it. That's about all the interesting stuff that's been going on. So probably in a few more days, once that battery pack comes on, I'll record again and kind of like do a bit of a review on the ICECO fridge. And it's a Blue Eddy, some kind of letters, 180, I can't remember. I'll tell you on that day. So for now, I'm gonna hop off here and I'll see you in a few days. All right, we're at a campsite and it's here. Your little Batman clip for the day. Oh, it's so heavy. There's a little screw in there. We got some plugins to charge it. And here's the beast, our new battery. Let's see if it comes charged. 54%. The cigarette lighter. 12-volt input for charging. DC, AC. USBs. 4 of whatever these ones are called. All right, now let's plug the fridge up. Okay, I've got the fridge plugged up and it is working. It all runs on it. It's a mess in here right now because we just got some things, so I'm gonna redo the van here in a bit. But I'll show you that it's all working. Got a bunch of random stuff in the fridge right now, so we'll get that organized, but we just got stuff for dinner tonight. So everything seems to work, and I'm really excited because we finally got some actual stuff to really live out here and really have it all together, you know? Because sometimes it's tough just eating nothing but dry foods, whatever we can store inside this oven, because here's where we keep our food normally. So it's gonna be nicer to be able to actually have cold stuff and save leftovers, because normally if we have leftovers, can't eat it the next day. So that's good. And I think that's probably gonna wrap up this video, and then we'll start traveling again and get back to making some more interesting videos. But that's it for now. Bye.